How to quickly and accurately seal rim joists like a pro. You need Great Stuff Pro gaps and cracks, a Great Stuff Pro dispensing gun, gloves, eye protection, a trash bin, a cloth, and Great Stuff foam cleaner. First, make sure all flame sources are extinguished. Then, prep the area and remove any debris. Shake the can for 60 seconds. Invert the can and install it onto the dispensing gun with a twist. Adjust the flow control knob on the back of the gun to achieve your desired flow. Press the trigger to fill the gun with foam, then dispense. For greater precision, simply twist the flow control knob to adjust your bead size. Practice with a dry run. Now, insert your gun into the joist and pull the trigger. Admire that steady bead size. Occasionally wipe your gun tip with a rag during application. Keep in mind, the foam will keep expanding after it's applied. Close the flow control knob to keep any foam in your dispensing gun from curing. Store the foam upright until your next use. Leave Great Stuff Pro foam attached to the gun, and you'll be able to reuse it for up to 30 days. And that's how you professionally seal with the trusted brand Great Stuff Pro.